What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today Asteria sent me this hair, and I'm just gonna do a little quick color tutorial for you guys. So they sent me this package. The packaging is bomb. They got a pamphlet, a wig bag, a wig stocking cap, a lace band, and your actual wig. Okay, so this is a 26-inch 250 density HD lace closure wig. Okay, this wig is thick, like she's thick. She's a little thick, and I appreciated that thickness that this wig was. It was not stingy whatsoever. Okay, so this is your normal construction. It has 3 combs, adjustable straps. You can sew an elastic band in this if you want to. I did not, and I still achieved the glueless method. I think this is like a 5x5 or a 6x6. I'm not sure. I will have that down below in the description box. And this is just a regular body wave wig. Okay, so to get the color, I did use 40 volume developer because I ran out of the developer, and that's all I had on hand. And I am using quick blue. I did section my wig into 3. I basically just sectioned the front into 2 and then the back into 1, and I just wanted to make sure that the back was out of my way because we're only going to focus on the front 2 sections. Okay, I did this color back in the day, like a couple of years ago, and I called it brownie, and you guys loved it. So I was like, okay, let's redo this wig. I think I'm gonna redo like my wigs that I made like in the beginning of like my little YouTube journey of me creating wigs. I think that would be dope. So I did 2 scoops of bleach, and then I did about 2.5 scoops of developer, and I just mixed that together to get the consistency. And I'm going to take one section, make sure it's combed out, and I'm just go ahead and apply the bleach with my hand. You know, you guys, I like to just hurry up and do this. It doesn't need to be super neat. And I'm just going to massage the bleach into the sections. I do want roots, so I'm not going to take it all the way up to the top. If you don't want roots, you could go ahead and put it all the way up to the top. But I just wanted to leave a little bit of roots because of the fact if I decided to leave like, my sideburns and things like that out, it'll just blend it really, really good. So I'm just going ahead and massaging that bleach into that section, and I am going to blend it up, and I'm gonna comb it through just to make sure that that section is evenly distributed with bleach. And then I'm just gonna make sure that the section has bleach in the inside of the wig where the roots are, not all the way up to the roots, but close to the roots. You just want to make sure that it's just blended really nice, and you don't have like dark areas where bleach should be. Okay, so you just about to just see me just blend that in, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the next side. So now that everything is coated and bleached, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the back of the wig down, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the side pieces and blend it in with the already bleached side, just to make sure that it blends seamlessly. So this is just going to make these pieces a little bit lighter brown, but not as light as the brown that I already have the bleach in. So it can just transition. It just won't be like a harsh line of demarcation, if that makes sense. So after I did this, I did leave this on for about 5 minutes only after I applied all the bleach. And after that, I did go rinse the bleach out. I used purple shampoo to wash this unit. The shampoo I use is Vanilla No Yellow. I will have that link down in the description box for you. And then I did deep condition it with silicone mix, and I flat ironed it, and then this is what the wig looks like, and she is bomb. I posted this on my Facebook and everybody went crazy. Oh my god. So she is bomb. Like, this color will go with everybody. Like, if you're afraid of color, this is the color to try, because it will, you know, it's like an entry way into color, and it'll just make you look real nice, and it's very subtle. Okay, so like, I would definitely say if you want to try color, I would do reds or the browns families first before you do something real crazy. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm cutting off the seams of the closure. I like doing this because it just helps the closure lay super flat. And I am going to take my makeup and my Ruby Kisses makeup in the shade 16, and I'm just going to put this all on my stocking cap, just to make sure my stocking cap, you won't be able to see it underneath my wig. So I did take the wig off, and I'm using my picketing shears, aka zigzag shears, to cut off the excessive lace. At this point, I did notice that I did like cause a little tiny hole in my lace, but remember, this is HD lace, so this lace is very fragile. Okay, this lace is not going to last you forever if you do decide to purchase a wig like this. So you do have to be careful. I would say this type of lace is good for special occasions, your birthday, your graduation, like a specific party, things like that. You will only get a certain amount of wears out of this. This lace is not going to last you forever because it's so soft, it's so fragile, it's so thin. So you have to take account of that. If you're heavy-handed, this is not the lace for you. If you are gentle and you know how to work with lace, then I would say you could definitely try, but you want to be careful when you're plucking and everything like that, because any and every little thing will cause a hole in this. Okay, so I'm using my spritz just to lay my baby hairs down, and I'm taking some of my face powder and just putting that in the middle of the part just to blend it in. And this is basically the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this color. I love brown tones on me. Like, at first I didn't, because I just felt like it didn't do nothing for my complexion, but the older I get, the more, like, you know, I'm kind of calming down on the drastic colors, and I'm loving brown tones. So you guys might see a lot of brown tones coming up now, especially because we're heading into summer, and summer, you can't go wrong with sun-kissed units. Okay, so again, this hair is from Asteria. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will definitely leave all the information down below in the description box for you guys. And until next time, bye, best friends.